Will installing third-party apps void the warranty of my LG Smart TV?
In this video, we will discuss if installing third-party apps on your LG Smart TV can void its warranty. We'll also explore some other factors that might affect your warranty.
What is a third-party app?
A third-party app is an application that is not developed by the TV manufacturer, in this case, LG. These apps can be downloaded and installed from various sources, such as app stores or websites.
Does installing third-party apps void the warranty?
In most cases, installing third-party apps on your LG Smart TV will not void the warranty. However, it's essential to check the terms and conditions of your specific warranty, as there might be some exceptions.
What actions can void the warranty?
While installing third-party apps usually doesn't void your warranty, there are some actions that can. 1. Rooting or jailbreaking your LG Smart TV, which gives you unrestricted access to its operating system. 2. Installing malicious software that can cause damage or unauthorized access to your TV. 3. Physical damage caused by mishandling, accidents, or misuse of the TV.
How can I install third-party apps safely?
To ensure the safety of your LG Smart TV and maintain its warranty, follow these steps when installing third-party apps. 1. Choose trusted sources for downloading apps. 2. Check user reviews and ratings to ensure the app is legitimate and safe. 3. Update your TV's firmware regularly to protect against security vulnerabilities. Installing third-party apps on your LG Smart TV typically won't void its warranty. However, it's crucial to follow safe practices when downloading and installing apps to avoid potentially voiding the warranty due to other reasons, like rooting or installing malicious software. Always refer to your specific warranty terms and conditions for more information.